Hello, this is Maths with Lemon, and in this topic we will see the maximum and minimum of a function, how to find it, and what is the whole process using derivatives. Now this is my function, f(x) is minus x cubed plus 3x squared plus 1. Now if I will draw this function, if I will sketch it fast, it will be something like that. Okay, let me do it better, something like that. Now here, as you see, this is the maximum and this is the minimum here. But what is the property of that? Since it's maximum, it means that the tangent at this point is parallel to x-axis. So it means that the derivative, since the tangent is the derivative, it gives me the gradient of the tangent, the derivative, it's 0. So basically, if I'll find where the derivative is 0, these are the points where I will have maximum or minimum. Let me find the derivative. Derivative is minus 3x squared plus 6x. Now this derivative should be 0 to find the maximum. So minus 3x squared plus 6x must be 0. Factorize it. 3x inside minus x plus 2. It's going to be 0. So from here, what do we have? That x is 0, or this one must be 0, which means that x is 0 or x is 2. So in these points I must have my where the maximum or minimum is. Now how I can define which is maximum or minimum? Later on we will see that I can use the test of the second derivative. If I'll find the second derivative, I can find also if it's maximum or minimum. Now this is another way which is also easy relatively. You just need to do some simple substitutions. So this is my derivative of the function. Okay, so I know that this function, the derivative here, has zeros 0 and 2. These are the solutions, the roots of this quadratic. Now I want to find which is the sign of f derivative, meaning where is positive and where is negative. One simple way to find where this function is positive and where negative is the simple one by trial and error. So take a value between 0 and 2 and put it here on the derivative. Let's say 1 minus 3 plus 6. That's positive. So this one is going to be positive. My derivative here is positive. Now put some values outside the roots. Let's say instead of 2, I'll put 10. So 10 squared 100 minus 300 plus 60 minus. And the same, put another value less than 0. Minus 10. Again, minus 300 plus 60 minus 60, it's negative. So my derivative goes how? From minus infinity up to 0 goes down, then after 0 up, and then down. So this point is going to be the minimum and this point is going to be the maximum. And that's how you can find the minimum and the maximum of a function using only the derivatives.